Morning, folks. We finally got a train this year. First one of the year, and we have some fun here. I'm gonna use the zooms. Yep. Folks, long story short, we got a Canadian National 54, 52 in Pembine. There's some switching here, it looks like, and they are coming for us. Folks, by the way, new camera. Recently just updated on my phone because my old camera for my phone, the SC, she made it as long as she could. So folks, introducing iPhone 16 fun. Here we come, folks. They got a wave. There you guys go. How about that for a little something? Not a long one, but something pretty cool. A little Canadian National action. See you guys next time. Peace out, everybody.